Hello class, get ready for the next step of the totally rad PowerPoint project. In this step, we're going to use Google Maps. So click on the Google Maps link. A new window will appear. I'm going to maximize that window. And for this slide in your PowerPoint presentation, you're going to find your address. I'm going to type in my pretend house. And I'm going to search up here for my address. You want to start with your house number, then your street. Separate the street and the city by a comma. Holly Springs. And you can see Google Maps is actually predicting the address that I am typing in. So I can simply select on this and it will take me to that address. Okay, so here I am, and right now this is a satellite image of my house. Okay, if you want, you can take this image and put it in your presentation, and you could do that by pressing Shift Print Screen. Some of you are going to be able to look at your house as if you're standing right in front of it. Okay, and I'll show you how to do that next. What you want to do is you want to take this little yellow guy right here, click and hold, click, hold, and you want to drop him on a blue road in front of your house. Now some of you won't have a blue road for your street. Take a look at this street right here. It doesn't have a blue road, so I can't drop this yellow guy on that street. But I can drop him on this blue road, which is my pretend street, Lumina Place. And watch what happens. You may get a security warning. If you do, click yes. It's as if I'm looking at my house. Okay? And again, some of you won't be able to do this. If you can't do this, then what you have to do is just take a screen image above your house, okay? And I'm going to show you how to take a screen image now. There's two keys. There's Shift, so point to Shift on your keyboard. Find Shift. You should all know where Shift is. And there's Print Screen. Print Screen is by the F10, F11, F12 keys. Look for that now. You're going to hold down these keys at the same time. Okay, Shift, Print Screen. Did you find them yet? Okay, get ready. Press Shift and Print Screen. Okay, I just pressed Shift and Print Screen at the same time. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to minimize this window, and I'm going to find my PowerPoint. Go to My Computer. A new window will appear. Here we are. And you want to find your student drive with your student number. Click on that. And you're searching for your totally rad PowerPoint project. Double click on it to open it. Loading, loading, loading. Okay. Now for this slide, we already have our title slide, as you can see. For this slide, you're going to add your Google Maps image, okay? I want you to title the slide something like My House in Google Maps. Okay. Now, if you have two boxes like I do, you can delete one of them, because you only need one. And I'm going to move this one down, and to move it, you simply click on the edge of it. You might have to click twice, and drag. Okay. And what you want to do is you want to right-click, and you want to select Paste. Whoa, that's way too big. Look how big that is. That image is very big. So what you want to do is you want to resize it, and you want to resize it by dragging on the corner. Click and drag on the corner. Like this. And finally, we are going to crop the image. That means to kind of cut the image. To do that, you double click on the image. And when you double click, a picture tools bar will appear at the top. You want to select crop. Right there. Okay. After you select crop, you should see these little things on the corner. I don't know what to call them. But you take those in, you pull those in, and you begin cropping your image, cutting your image. You want to crop it so you only see your house. Like this. Okay. And if you want, you can caption your image. My house on Lumina Place in Holly Springs. You don't want to give out your address, though. North Carolina. So don't give out your full address. So this is my pretend house. Pretty cool, huh?